If you're a beginner and you're finding it difficult in achieving your everyday makeup, this video is for you. This video is going to guide you step by step on how to achieve your everyday makeup. And I believe this tutorial is going to make you feel confident about yourself, how you can do your everyday makeup, even though you've watched a lot of YouTube tutorial, a lot of video, and you're still finding it difficult to achieve that. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to be confident in doing your makeup by yourself. My name is Jaykay if you are new here, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. And if you are new here, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the button. So without further ado, let's go straight into this video. Before the eyebrow, I love to go ahead and clean my face with micellar water. That will help me to remove any excess stain or any excess oil on my skin that I have. Once your face is all cleansed, the next step you want to do is by doing your eyebrow first. I used to use two products. I'm going to go ahead with the mixed brow glue. So I'm going to use this to lift up my eyebrows. So I'm going to use it to brush all my eyebrow up so it can make it more neat. I'm just going to curve it according to my eyebrow after brushing everything up. I'm going to go ahead with the NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen. So I'm going to use it to fill in the gap. So when you're using this brush, I know this is very sensitive to use, it's very difficult, but all you have to do, you just have to hold your brush like this, as if you're trying to sketch out something, and then you just try to fill in the gap of your eyebrow, and then just fill in the gap, like fill in the gap. So I'm just going to go ahead with a concealer. I'm just going to use it to clean up the excess of the eyebrow so it can be more sharp. So for the upper layer of my eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead with the shade of my foundation. So just to clean the upper layer. So I'm just going to blend it out with another brush so that there's no any harsh line. Take your time with your eyebrow. Take your time. Your eyebrow brings the beauty to your face actually. Don't rush yourself. If you want to spend 30 minutes just doing your eyebrow, it's fine, just take your time. So the next step is the eyeshadow. So first, for your eyeshadow, you have to start with concealer as your eyeshadow base. This concealer can help you to build your eyeshadow as a beginner. First, I'm going to apply my concealer right here, and I'm going to go ahead with my blending brush and make sure to blend everything out smooth. In this video, we are going to be doing natural eyeshadow for beginner. So I'm going to be using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Neutral. So right here, I'm going to go ahead with this transition color just to blend it, to dry up the concealer. So I'm just going to tap it in like this. And lightly just keep tapping it. So I'm going to pick up this color right here, and then I'm just going to start blending it on my crease just to give my crease some color. The beauty of an eyeshadow is to blend very well. Like, you need to blend your eyeshadow. Eyeshadow will bring the beauty. When you blend it very well, everything is going to look smooth and beautiful. So make sure you take your time as well on this part. I'm going to go back to the same palette right here. So I'm going to pick this color. So I'm just going to use to darken the area more like this. Use it on my lid. So next step is the eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Cake eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliner that I do use a lot, and this is a beginner friendly eyeliner, so I would recommend this eyeliner for you because it's very easy to draw, very easy to use. So make a straight line on your lashes line and then drag it outside towards your end area lash. Next step is my lashes. It's not necessary for you to fix lashes. You can either use your mascara or you can fix lashes. So but in this video I'm going to be using lashes, so let's go ahead and fix that. So to fix my lashes, I'm going to go ahead with the lashes glue. So I'm going to take a little bit and apply it on the tip of my lashes, and make sure you wait for it for like 3 seconds to get dry before you apply it. So the next step is my moisturizer. So I'm going to apply my moisturizer to keep me hydrating under my makeup. So the next step is the under eye cream. So I'm going to use it to hydrate my under eye before my concealer. So that's gonna make my concealer to sit very well, so I don't have any dryness on my skin. Apply it. So next is the sunscreen. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the sunscreen. The reason why we're applying the sunscreen is to protect your skin from the sun, so you don't have any skin damage under your makeup, since you're going to be spending most of your time outside. So it's very important to make sure that you go with your sunscreen. I love this sunscreen. Oh my god, this is so nice. We're going to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes to let the skincare settle on the face, and then we move to the next step. So next step is the primer. So I'm going to go ahead with the Laura Infallible Mattifying Primer. Primer actually depends on your skin, because I have an oily skin, so I'm going to go ahead with the primer and apply straight on the places that I have oil. For example, here I do have oil here on my cheekbone, on my nose, forehead, and at the same time on my jawline here. So I'm going to go ahead and blend them out smoothly on my skin. I'm gonna dry it off. So next step is my foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm gonna be using the NYX Make Him Wonder foundation in the shade Soft Mocha. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply just a little bit of it on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation brush and just gently blend it out on my skin. So guys, while you are blending your foundation, just make sure you're trying to tap, not by blending or swiping the foundation brush. So you just tap into the skin like this, so the foundation can blend so smoothly into the skin. So next step is the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead with the Laura Infallible Concealer. So I'm going to use this concealer to brighten up my skin. So I'm going to show you guys where to apply it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it underneath my eye here a little bit, and then here as well, and then on my nose area, on my forehead a little bit, and as well here on my jawline. Yeah. So I'm going to be using the beauty blender to blend out everything. So next step is my contour. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. So I'm going to show you guys where to contour. So I'm going to take a little bit of this contour right here, and I'm going to drag it right underneath my cheekbone here, and then on the other side as well, on my forehead. So next step is to set my concealer. So I'm going to go ahead with the NYX Wonder Snatch Loose Powder to set the places that I applied concealer. So the next step is the bronzer. So I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Matte bronzer in Butter Off. So the purpose of the bronzer is to bring warmth to the face. So we're just going to take a little bit and then dust out and gently tap it into your skin. Next step is the blush. So I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Matte blush in Back and Butter. So I'm going to use it to bring color on my face. So just going to take a little bit, dust out, and then I'm just going to apply it. Next step is my highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead with the Emily in Paris highlight. So I'm just going to apply on my cheekbone. Okay. Next step is the setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead with the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. So I'm going to use this one to set my makeup so my makeup can stay for a very long time. So next step is my lip combo. So I'm going to go ahead with a simple lip combo for every day. So I'm going to be using Rimmel London lip liner in 790. So for the lipstick, I'm going to go ahead with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So guys, finally we have come to the end of this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you to start your makeup journey. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.